Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So if you love doing DIYs and that is your jam, let's check out some together. Loving all those faux plants from the first video clip. And then we move on to one that features some cacti. So she has some cardboard for this particular project. I've actually been seeing a lot of cactus inspired DIY projects. I guess that's like a thing on TikTok now. I don't know. This looks like it would be a fairly nice little easy, like beginner friendly project, nothing too complicated. So she does sand the green to just kind of create like a little bit more of a realistic texture. And then she's adding in some nails. Oh, that's pretty fun. Oh, she has some little rocks in there. Oh, these are pretty. Very nice. I think the nails added a right little like spiky texture to it too. Very cool. So this next DIY involves like a tin can. And then she's doing like a marble artwork piece here, a marble design. So she added some leather around the perimeter of it, some numbers. Okay, so she's making some type of clock. Oh, that's cool. Wow. It's kind of hard to see the numbers though from far away. You gotta really kind of squint and see them. But I love the aesthetic with that. That is really pretty. And then we have another DIY featuring a tin can. So she's making like a home inspired decor piece. She used like a stencil for that. Very beginner friendly. Oh yeah, this is definitely a good beginner project to do. So she's putting some legs on there. And if you wanted to do this same thing, you don't even have to do the legs. You can just leave it bare bottom. Oh, I like the chain detail. That's pretty. Is that rhinestones? Oh, that's a nice little like glam touch that's very subtle. That's really pretty. And then she just used that as a vase. Wow. Gorgeous. Love the way that turned out. And then here she has some light bulbs. So it looks like she's doing a reconstruction with this. I have no idea where she's going with it yet though. Maybe like a candle holder of some sort. Oh, maybe like a lantern. Because there's the bottom and there's the top. Oh, that's beautiful. Very nice. All right, so then we have some little wooden pieces here. Stacking them together with like a diamond shape. Oh, wow. She made shelving with that. That is really impressive. Very cool. Oh, wow. Love the finished result. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.